Trump's tariffs. What's really going on and how will it affect you? Let's dive into President Trump's controversial tariff moves and how they could affect everything from consumer prices to the stock market. Tariffs on Canada and Mexico. In early March, President Trump slapped a 25% tariff on goods from Canada and Mexico. This is part of his broader trade strategy to reduce the U.S. trade deficit and boost domestic production. But what does this mean for consumers and investors? The USMCA exception, the fine print. Now, some products will still be exempt from these tariffs thanks to the United States-Mexico-Canada trade agreement. However, many goods that don't comply will be hit with new duties. What's the takeaway? Expect price increases in certain imports. Canada's retaliation. In response, Canada has imposed its own tariffs, targeting $21 billion worth of U.S. goods like fruit, appliances, and liquor. This could shake up U.S. industries. What industries will feel the heat first? The steel and aluminum impact. President Trump has imposed a 25% tariff on all imported steel and aluminum, a big move to protect U.S. manufacturing. The EU didn't take this lightly and retaliated with tariffs on iconic U.S. products, including whiskey. China, the big tariff war. Trump's new tariffs on Chinese imports have been ongoing, starting with a 10% tariff on February 3rd, then increasing it to 20% by March. China has hit back with tariffs of its own. How will this play out in the long term? U and reciprocal tariffs. A potential market storm. The Trump administration also threatened 25% tariffs on the EU, and with the possibility of reciprocal tariffs on any nation imposing tariffs on U.S. goods, the tension is only rising. This could lead to market uncertainty in multiple sectors, from agriculture to automobile industries. Copper and lumber prices to surge. Copper and lumber prices will likely spike as Trump targets them with additional tariffs. Housing costs could increase as a result, making it a critical area for real estate investors to watch. Cars, drugs, and microchips. Big impact for tech and pharma. Next up, potential tariffs on automobiles, pharmaceuticals, and microchips. These sectors could see huge shifts in pricing. Investors should pay close attention to how this could affect stocks in automotive and tech industries. What does this mean for investors? The bottom line, volatility is likely to increase. Steel, auto, and tech stocks could experience major swings. Some might go up, others might take a nosedive. What do you think? How do you see these tariffs playing out in the markets? Is it a risk or opportunity for investors? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more market insights. Catch us again soon for another market update. Stay ahead of the game.